Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text someone on Instagram. First, open the Instagram application on your smartphone or tablet. Look for the paper airplane icon, which is typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Tapping this icon will take you directly to your Instagram direct messages, where all your conversations are stored. This is the first crucial step to initiating any new conversation or continuing an existing one. Once you are in your direct messages, you will see a plus sign icon, usually in the top right corner. Tap this icon to start a brand new conversation. A search bar will appear, allowing you to type in the username of the person you wish to message. Carefully select the correct profile from the list of search results to ensure your message goes to the intended recipient. This ensures accuracy before you begin typing. Now that you have selected your recipient, a text input field will appear at the bottom of the screen. Type your message here, keeping it concise or as detailed as you like. Instagram also allows you to attach various media, such as photos, videos, or even voice notes, to enrich your conversation. Once your message is complete, simply tap the send button, which often looks like a paper airplane, to deliver it instantly. If you want to continue an ongoing conversation, simply tap on the existing chat from your direct messages list. You can react to specific messages by double tapping them or long pressing for more options. Instagram also offers features like video calls for face-to-face interactions and the ability to create group chats with up to 250 people. These tools help you stay connected and make your conversations more dynamic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.